Hello everyone, today we will talk about the osteology of the lower limb, which is the first bone, which is the femur, which is the longest bone of our body. So it consists of the upper part, shaft and the lower part. The upper part it consists of a head which articulates with the acetabulum of the hip bone. It makes the hip joint. Next it is on a neck. Then it have the two trochanter at the posterior sides, which is in a greater trochanter, lesser trochanter, and between them it forms the intertrochanteric crest, and here in between there is a quadrate tubercle. At the lower part at the posterior sides we have the medial condylar, lateral condylar, between them we have intercondylar fossa. At the posterior sides we have as well as linea aspera, which makes the lateral lip of the linea aspera and form the medial lip of the linea aspera. Now we will talk about border and surfaces. So we have three borders, which is medial border, which is the medial side of the bone, lateral border, which is lateral side of the bone, and last is the posterior border, which is in a linea aspera border. Now we will talk about the surfaces, which have five surfaces, which is in between the median and a lateral border. We have the anterior surface, medial surface, lateral surface, and we have posterior surface, which is in two parts, which is an upper posterior surface and the lower posterior surface divided by the linea aspera.